Imagine this, you create a password. It looks complex, random, and secured. But what if I told you an AI could predict exactly how fast it will be cracked? Most of the password strength meters lie to you. They just count the characters and symbols. But the real attackers doesn't think mathematically. They use leaked password data, patterns, and machine learning models. So this time I built something different, an automatic password complexity evaluation system. This system doesn't just say weak or strong. It predicts a real-time crack time. It checks if your password appear in the breaches. It runs multiple ML models on the provided password. And if your password is weak, it generates a secured version plus a smart mnemonic so that you can actually remember the password. And the best part, your password is never stored, not even locked. Hello guys, welcome to next video by Project Maker. In this video, I will be demonstrating you my new project which is of password complexity evaluation system. And right now, I will directly demonstrate you the project outputs where I will show you how the ML model works, how crack time estimation performs, and how I build this fully secured AI system. As you can see, this is the main output of the project, and it is saying that test the strength of your password against machine learning models. So I will simply type the easy password which is ABCDE. And if I click this show password, this is the password that I have written, and it's asking me to select a model. So I will select XGBoost for first time, and crack time style is entropy based, and the next is hatcat style. For now, I will go with entropy based and simply click on this analyze now button. And within seconds, the output will be in front of you, which is strength. Strength of this password is very weak, which is correct. Estimated time to crack is 0 seconds. The length of password is 5, which is correct. Entropy is 2.32 bits, and unique ratio is 100%. And it is also alerting us, saying that it's a breach alert. This password has been found more than 2.5 lakhs times in public data breaches. And this is verified by Have I Been API key. And after alerting us, this simply gives the AI suggestion, which is just add capital B A B C D, keep as it is, and just add few characters after that. And after that, it's also giving the mnemonic so that we can easily remember this password. So this was the quick demo of my project. Now let's directly jump into the theoretical understanding of this project. So as you can see, I have opened the PPT for you where I will explain theoretical architecture of this project and also try to clear all your doubts about this project. So let's start. This slide is of password paradox, which simply explains that while creating a password, we usually follow the following techniques. The password should be of 16 plus character. We should use uppercase and lowercase letters along with the punctuation marks to make the password strong and difficult to crack. But the problem with such password is that it is not at all easy to remember, and most of the people write their password on paper or use third-party password managers inconsistently, creating a new threat to expose their password into the breaches. Simple password like password 123 get cracks instantly, while complex passwords are difficult to remember and can be easily exposed on internet if we use third-party applications. So as a solution to this, I have created this system which not only tells you that your password is weak or strong, but also suggests a more stronger password and a mnemonic using which you can easily remember the password. And you don't need to store that password in any third-party applications or write it down on paper. And that's what this slide is representing. It says that the system doesn't reject weak password. It transforms them into strong pattern resistant variants that users can actually remember. Using adjective, noun, verb patterns, the AI tries to generate a meaningful sentence mapped to secure password structure, making you recall effortlessly while maintaining cryptographic strength. Now let's move to the next slide. This slide talks about the which are real-time analysis update as you type with crack time estimation and breach intelligence delivered through an intuition engine, which means that if you generate a strong password, it will also tell you that how much time will it require to crack it. So let's say example, you create a very strong password and crack time estimation is for 10 years. So instead of using that password for lifelong, you can simply change the password after few years so that your data would be secured. Proceeding further, your password goes to multiple layers, starting from the trained models, which will tell you the password is weak or strong. Then after that, MLP analysis is done based on that a stronger password is suggested, and also it tells you that if your password is already found in data breaches previously or not. So this slide speak about the technology stack that I use. I use Flask Python framework, vanilla CSS and JavaScript in the front end part, And coming to backend, I have used the Flask server layer, custom feature extraction, and I have added an external API which simply tells us that the password has been found in the data breaches or not. And the backbone of this project is ML intelligence, where I use multiple models and machine learning pattern prediction techniques like entropy and pattern analysis, and lastly HIBP breach checks, which simply tells us the uniqueness of the password. Speaking more about this HIBP breach intelligence, it's a secure k-Anonymity protocol. It's integrated with real-time check against billions leak password using cryptographic secure protocols. And for the security purpose, the system doesn't pass your entire password to API to check the validity. It simply passes the first 5 characters of the password that you have provided, and based on that, it will tell that password has appeared in the previous data breaches or not, so that your entire password still remains safe and it will not appear in the any data breaches. So I have added this kind of security also for your inputted password. The next part is crack time intelligence. So in this, I have also added the entropy based time that I just demonstrated you, which is calculated using Shannon entropy, character diversity, and pattern complexity metrics. And apart from that, I have also added a hardware realistic hashcash style, which means if I try to crack your password by training it on GPU, then how much time it will take to crack your password. Remember, no password is secured in this world. It will definitely get cracked one or the other day. Using this dual technique of cryptographic theory and practical reality, I have tried to provide you actionable insight using which you can decide the strongest password and also the frequency to change your password. As I already told, no password is completely secure for lifetime. And let's talk about the dataset that I have used to train our ML models. So I have used Rocky dataset, which contains more than 32 million password lists that appeared in databases. On this dataset, I have done a multiple pre-processing steps like data cleaning, strength labeling, and feature engineering like calculating entropy, length, and unique ratio. After passing the dataset through rigorous pipeline, the accuracy of model is above 95% for all models. I will show you the accuracy of the model in the latter part of this video. Next part is about privacy. As previously told, I only send first 5 characters of your password that you provide into the system, and based on that I check if the password has appeared in the databases previously or not. The next is in process memory. So as soon as you enter the password is processed, the results are in front of you, and once you copy the password on your end and just click the refresh button, the suggested password is discarded immediately. In short, the password that you provide or suggested password is never stored anywhere in the system, not even in log files. This slide speak about the multiple ML learning models that I have used, which are XGBoost, Random Forest, MLP, SVM, and Logistic Regression, which analyze the entropy, length, characters, diversity, and pattern dominance. Based on that, the models are trained. I have also tried to create a human-centric design, which tries to meet the cryptographic strain, creating password user can remember without sacrificing the security. Now it's suggesting that let's start. So let's directly jump into the destination folder and run the application from our end. As you can see, this is our destination folders and it contains multiple files and folders. So without wasting any time, let's execute this project. So I will simply open command prompt in this folder, and after that I will simply activate the virtual environment. So the virtual environment name here is password enemy. So I will simply type password slash capital S scripts slash activate and hit enter. So as you can see, the virtual environment has been got activated. Now I will simply type python app.py. So this is the way to run any Flask application. And as you can see, it's running on this URL. So I simply click on this URL. And as you can see, this is a beautiful futuristic cybersec user interface, which is trying to tell you that secure your digital life. So this is directly to launch your analyzer that I previously demonstrated and how it works. So before directly jumping into the testing this project, let's understand the model prediction results and other few important things that you must know. So first thing is it's AI powered, as you know. Crack time estimation is done. So you will let to know that how much time it will take to crack the suggested password also. And it provides the smart suggestions that I previously told during the presentation. Now let's directly move to the comparison. I have finalized the top 5 models which are giving me a best accuracy, which is of Random Forest giving us the 99.92 accuracy, XGBoost giving us 99.91 accuracy, CatBoost is giving us 99.93 accuracy, Hist gradient boost is giving the same 99.93 accuracy, and extra trees is also giving the same accuracy. So these are the accuracy model comparison of the models. Moving ahead, this is the basic analysis that I have done on the dataset. So Rocky password dataset contain the password which were of numeric and alphabetic category, and this is entropy versus strength of the password. And this is the data distribution of the password lengths starting from 0 till 2530. And this is the word count of the password, which shows the words that appeared in password frequently, like love, hotmail, Yahoo, and so on. So let's move ahead, which is of mechanism. So mechanism, most of the part I have already told in the presentation, but let's go step by step. So when you enter a password, we first exact numerical features, entropy. After that, this project do machine learning classification based on the input provided, which is of entropy. So this entropy gives you the randomness, and the hashcat style estimation provides a GPU cluster attack, accounting for common dictionaries and word masks. After that, I have added a mnemonic logic, which will help you to remember your password easily, and you will not require to store that password anywhere. Real-time bridge check, which is HIBP. After that, the next is security protocol. Here I have ensured that the password never use this user interface. So this is the most secure AI application right now. And the about section speak about the project goals. So the project goal was to go beyond simple rule password checking by leveraging advanced ML algorithms, analyze patterns, entropy, and character distribution to provide a realistic assessment of password strength against modern cracking techniques. So this is the list of top 5 ML models: XGBoost, Random Forest, Deep Learning, and SVM. And why this matters. So weak password are entry point for 81% of data breaches. Rule-based checkers like must have one number, must have one punctuation marks, often bypassed by simple patterns like password 123. So that's why this system is really important, and it should be integrated in every security application of suggesting passwords. This was all about the project. Now let's once again test this analyze button. So I will simply type 12345678 as password, which is the easiest password as you can see. And last time we used this exhibus. For now, let's use SVM and crack style as hashcat style. And I will simply click on this analyze now button. So let's wait for a few seconds. And it's saying that the strength is medium and the crack time is 0.01 second because it's easily available. The length is 8, entropy is 3 bits, and unique ratio is 100%. And it's saying that this password category has appeared more than 70 lakh times. So this is the most unsecured password if you use in your systems. And after that, this is the suggestion given by our system, which is y12345678. So if I paste the password here, just by adding few characters in prefix and suffix, and now let's test this once again. So now it's saying that it's strong password and the estimated crack time is that 1758250 and so on years. So this is one of the secured password and it has not appeared in the data breaches also. So you can definitely use this password. And trust me, this password is never stored in the log files or in this application. So that's all about this project. If you like this project, then do share this with your family and friends. And if you have any doubts related to this project or have any questions related to other project that I post on my YouTube channel, then please feel free to leave a message in the comment section below, or you can also message me on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video.